Igongona haria mahoya ma kiririkano ma arutwo aria makwiriire mutino-ini wa mwaki thukuru-ini wa Hillside Ndarasha riria rirararĩrĩirio muthenya wa wetatu kiumia giki niritiritio nginyagia muthenya wa wena o kiumia-ini giki.
Na pia mimi nitamwandikia pia.
Murugamiriri wa mihango ya thirikari wa ihinda riri gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya Pius Murugo ni woheanite riboti ino akiuga aciari amwe nio maroritie muthenya ucio cenjio hamwe na mibango ingi.
The requiem mass interdenominational which it will take place on the Thursday 26th. You know the former one we are on the tentative date on Wednesday, but now because of other logistics which we were able to consider, we have put it at Thursday this week. Same venue, that is the Muega Stadium, and the mass will start at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We have been able to plan for everything for that day, and we expect the mass to end by 11 a.m. so that you can be able to release the bodies to the various destinations whereby they will now be taken over by the parents and the relatives so that they can be able now to be interned at the local levels.
Murugo oigite thirikari ni haririirie mibango yothe ya kuhurukia arutwo aya na maratanya arutwo othe makorwo mahurukite wikinya muthe wa juma kiumia giki.
According to the deliberations with the parents, we have realized that some of them will bury their next of kin on some will bury on Thursday, others on Friday, and even there are some families who have organized for the burials on Saturday. So after we finish the requiem mass at around 11.
Thirikari ni rugamirire garama ya mathiko ma ciana ici naguo thukuru wa Hillside ugitanya kuhingurwo thutha wa mathiko kurikirira.
We have been able to know all the various destinations. The government, as you know, also has been able to support the families, especially taking care of the burial expenses. That one we have taken into consideration, and that is what we are planning with the parents today, and the government has assisted in all those logistics, meeting the financial needs of the various committees during the burial.
Kirifotera Kameme TV, Stagwo Wahu, Wagoge.